The Public Accounts Committee, which monitors how public funds are spent, has expressed concerns over continuing procurement lapses in the public sector. In its latest report, the committee, comprising 8 members of Parliament, detailed procurement lapses by 5 ministries and the National Research Foundation, a department within the Prime Minister's office. It had sought written explanations for the lapses and also noted the changes the agencies have made since to address the issues.
Waiving competition on weak grounds, not disclosing evaluation criteria upfront in tender documents, and failing to evaluate tenders properly. These were just some of the lapses identified by the committee. It also expressed concern that despite efforts over the last few years to enhance procurement rules and procedures across the public sector, some agencies were still not sufficiently diligent in ensuring compliance with procurement rules.
Procurement is very important for the public service because, first, as stewards of public funds, government agencies need to procure with the aim of achieving value for money. Secondly, I think to be fair to tenderers who tender for public projects, agencies need to deal with tenderers in a fair and transparent manner.
The committee noted that many of the procurement lapses were due to human factors and not the lack of rules and procedures. For example, irregularities were found in the management of a campus development project by the National Research Foundation under the Prime Minister's office. The contract value of the construction was about $323 million. The PMO explained that as a new startup organization, the NRF lacked the staff strength and capabilities to manage a major construction project. The NRF has since taken measures to prevent such lapses from recurring, including conducting briefings to in-house consultants on government policy and guidelines. The Ministry of Culture, Community and Youth also saw lapses in the tender evaluation undertaken by the Islamic Religious Council of Singapore, or MUIS, for construction works. In 4 tenders totaling about $17 million, 7 of the 8 evaluation criteria were not made known to potential tenderers. MCCY also said such lapses were due to a lack of staff competence and weak procurement environment rather than wrongdoing or willful neglect. MUIS has formed an internal review team to address the gaps in the system.
Now, to read the full report, members of the public can log on to the Singapore Parliament website at www.parliament.gov.sg.